Spaghetti, that long, slender strand of pasta, has woven its way into the fabric of culinary culture far beyond the borders of Italy. It's fascinating, really, how something so simple has become a global phenomenon, a staple on dinner tables from New York to Tokyo. First and foremost, let's talk about versatility. Spaghetti is like a blank canvas, ready to absorb flavors and adapt to whatever ingredients you throw at it. You can toss it with a rich marinara, a light olive oil and garlic, or even a spicy arrabbiata. It welcomes vegetables, meats, seafood, and herbs with open arms. This adaptability makes it a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. You can dress it up for a fancy dinner party or keep it simple for a weeknight meal. No matter the occasion, spaghetti fits right in. Then there's the ease of preparation. In a world that's constantly rushing, the ability to whip up a delicious meal in under 30 minutes is a game changer. Boil water, add the spaghetti, and while it cooks, you can prepare a sauce or sauté some veggies. It's straightforward, requiring minimal ingredients and effort. For busy families, college students, or anyone who just doesn't have the time or energy to cook, spaghetti is a lifesaver. It's no wonder that it's become a go-to dish in households everywhere. Let's not forget about the cultural influence of Italian cuisine. Italian immigrants brought their culinary traditions with them, and spaghetti was one of the stars of the show. As they settled in various countries, they introduced their beloved dishes, and spaghetti quickly became a symbol of Italian culture. Over time, it evolved and adapted to local tastes, leading to the creation of unique variations like spaghetti and meatballs in the United States or the spicy aglio e olio in Spain. This cultural exchange has allowed spaghetti to transcend its origins, making it a beloved dish that resonates with people from all walks of life. Another reason for spaghetti's popularity is its affordability. In many parts of the world, pasta is an inexpensive staple. A box of spaghetti can feed a family for just a few dollars, making it an economical choice for those on a budget. It's filling, too, which means you can stretch a meal further without breaking the bank. In times of economic uncertainty, people often turn to comfort food, and what's more comforting than a big bowl of spaghetti? It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's around a dinner table or during a casual gathering with friends. Finally, we can't overlook the sheer joy that spaghetti brings. There's something inherently satisfying about twirling those long strands around your fork, the way they glisten with sauce, the aroma wafting through the air. It's a dish that invites indulgence, a reason to slow down and savor the moment. Whether you're sharing a plate with loved ones or enjoying a solo dinner, spaghetti has a way of making the experience feel special. It's not just food. It's an experience, a ritual that connects us to our past, our culture, and each other. So, when you think about why spaghetti has become so popular outside of Italy, it's clear that it's more than just a meal. It's a versatile ingredient that adapts to our needs, an easy option for busy lives, a cultural icon that has traveled the world, an affordable comfort food, and a source of joy that brings people together. Each strand tells a story, a narrative of connection, tradition, and love. And that's why, no matter where you are, a plate of spaghetti feels like home.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press notification. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.